Hello viewers, in this video I am going to answer a most asked question: why my custom audience Facebook ad is not running, right? Many times what happens that you run a Facebook ad campaign on a custom audience and your ad campaign do not deliver. Then what could be the possible reasons for that particular situation? The first situation is when your custom audience size is too small to deliver ads, right? If your custom audience size is not sufficient, is not enough, then your ad may not deliver to your custom audience. This could be the one reason. The second reason is your ad account status. Might be you are having issue with your ad account billing, or your ad account is restricted, so you need to check out the meta account quality. Now, how to check meta account quality? If you want to know, then kindly visit our YouTube channel and check out our meta ads playlist. We have created a dedicated video on it. The third possible reason can be like your ad campaign has been disapproved. Might be your ad creative is flagged, or your ad creative is disapproved by Meta because of some reasons, like might be it consists some keywords that are like negative keywords. That's why Meta have disapproved your ad creative. It could be the possible reason, right? That what kind of ad creative you are using is inappropriate. The fourth reason of your ad campaign that is not serving to your custom audience could be of integration, right? Might be you are using Zapier or Pabbly, right? And that particular automation workflow is not working, or you have set up that particular workflow inappropriately, that it is not transferring the custom audience to the Facebook custom audience, right? So that could be also a reason that your integrations are not working fine. That's why custom audience is not getting created, and that is the reason your Facebook ad campaign is not serving, right? And the fifth most common reason that your ad campaign is not getting served to your custom audience is the technical glitch. It could be from Facebook side also, like there might be any bug due to which your ad campaign is not getting served to your custom audience. It could be a Facebook technical glitch or Meta technical glitch at that point of time, or it could be because of some browser glitch as well. So for that reason, you can clear your cache and cookies of your browser, or you can try running ad campaign from the another system, or using another browser. Might be your ad campaign will start serving. Else you can contact the Meta support team for it, and they will tell you what is the actual reason behind your ad campaign not getting served to your custom audience. If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check out our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.